I'm going to be showing you how to delete incognito history on Google Chrome. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So incognito mode in Google Chrome is designed not to save your browsing history, cookies, or site data after you close all incognito tabs. That means once you close incognito tabs or windows, Chrome deletes the history automatically, so you cannot view or manually delete incognito history from within Chrome. But there are some things you can do, like some parts of your activity might still be visible or saved elsewhere, like on your device via DNS or extensions. So DNS records might temporarily store sites you visited, and some extensions, if enabled in incognito, might track data. So in order to fix that, the first thing you can do, or the main thing you can do, is flush DNS cache. So if you're using Windows, then you just need to use command prompt and you need to type IPCONFIG and flush DNS and press enter. If you're on Mac, then you just need to open terminal. So I'm just going to show you. Go to Launchpad, go to other terminals right here. Let's go ahead and open it and just type in. So make sure you type this and you would successfully be able to flush DNS cache. So there you go. That's how you delete incognito history on Google Chrome. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.